Hello and good morning. See, this is a numerical question on Coulomb's law. What is the force between two small charged spheres carrying charges of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 Coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? दो चार्ज है जिनकी वैल्यू 2 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 7 कूलम और 3 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 7 कूलम है। इनको 30 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पे रखा गया है। हमको इसके दोनों चार्जेस के बीच का जो फोर्स है दैट कैन बी अट्रैक्टिव और रिपल्सिव, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन उस फोर्स को हमें कैलकुलेट करना है। तो ऑब्वियसली वी विल यूज the Coulomb's law here. And what is Coulomb's law? You know, the force between the two charges is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R square, where Q1 and Q2 are the magnitudes of the two charges and R is the distance between the two charges. Here the value of the Q1 is given as 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb and value of Q2 is given as 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. The distance R between the two charges is given 30 centimeter, and in SI system we will change the centimeter in meter and the value will become like this: 30 into 10 to power minus 2 meter. And if we eliminate the 0 from here, then it can become as 3 into 10 power minus 1, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power minus 2 becomes 10 to the power minus 1 meter. So this is the value of the R. Now we can apply the Coulomb's law here, and the force between the two charges will be, you know, the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, that is 9 into 10 raised to the power 9, and the value of Q1 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 and Q2 is 3 to the power minus 7, and this whole is divided by 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 whole square. Understanding? So now we will solve this problem. 9 into 2, 18 into 3, 54. 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power minus 7, 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 10 to the power minus 14. And this is 10 raised to the power 10. So minus 14 and plus 9, that becomes minus 5. Okay, this is a square, so square of 3 is 9, and the square of minus 1 is minus, the power is multiplied here, minus 1 multiplied 2, minus 2, 9 6 या 54 है ना, और ये हो जाएगा आपका 6, और ये होगा 10 की पावर माइनस 5 और 10 की पावर माइनस 2, तो 10 की पावर माइनस 5 पावर ऊपर आ जाएगी तो प्लस 2 हो जाएगा, और ये बन गया आपका 6 इंटू 10 पावर minus 3. The force is in Newton. So this is the value of the force between these two charges in Newton. So I hope you understand this. So thank you and goodbye for now. See you next.